Just unpack and move in. No costly upgrades needed. Meticulously maintained and updated, this 3-bedroom, conveniently located bungalow is sure to please. This lovely home, located in Forest Hills, offers mostly vinyl windows, a 10-year-old furnace, fiberglass oil tank, recently repaved driveway and a new roof with a 50-year non-prorated, transferable warranty to the new owner and R50 insulation. The main level offers a large eat-in kitchen with plenty of cabinets and counter space. With new flooring, countertop and granite sink, it has been updated for today's buyer. The living room is bright, inviting and freshly painted. A large master, second bedroom and full bath complete this level. The lower level is fully finished with a spacious family room with nook for fitness equipment, computer, or play area, a bedroom, half bath, laundry and storage. Schools, shopping and recreation are just steps away.